How long will this pandemic last? Many people are seeking an answer, need some kind of a definite time frame in which this pandemic will come to an end. So is there a date by which we would have found the vaccine and found an ultimate cure for this coronavirus pandemic? Yes, scientists are working on it, as we all know, on war footing. Many countries have even started human trials. And hopefully, yes, very soon we will have a vaccine, a cure. Even some of the countries are trying with existing drugs and trials have begun. Having said that, let's view answer to this question from a spiritual perspective. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukha Doshanu Darshanam. One who can perceive that birth, Janma, Mrityu, death, Jara, old age, and Vyadhi, disease, one who can perceive that these are the real challenges for which we have to find a solution, that person, he is in knowledge. The soul is eternal and the soul is transmigrating from one body to another, life after life. Punarapi Janma, Punarapi Marana. And in each life, the soul gets a material body. It could be from any of those 84 lakhs species, 84 lakh yoniya. And each life, it encounters Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. It takes birth, it ceases to exist, the body ceases to exist at a certain point of time, death, and then it encounters diseases and old age. So from spiritual perspective, rather than asking a question and seeking an answer, how long will this pandemic last? A much intelligent question would be, how long will this material existence last? Because so long as we are having this material body, the problems of Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi will continue. If not this particular disease, it could be some other diseases. Mankind has been encountering new and newer diseases. There was a time when cancer was not so much prevalent in the society. Today we see it's very much prevalent. There are many diseases which have so-called been eradicated, but then we are now faced with newer and newer diseases. So long as the soul is in this material world, Punarapi Janma, Punarapi Marana, it will continue to experience Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. So human form of life is a wonderful opportunity for a soul to get extricated from this cycle of birth and death, which is also called mukti or moksha. And once the soul gets mukti, liberated from this material existence, then there is no more Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. It does not have to encounter repeated birth, death, old age, and any kind of diseases. Hare Krishna.